These are my audience members. Jessica is 22. Jessica. Kim is 20. So today I'm going to talk to you all about exercise, the benefits of exercise, and the different types of exercise. So with exercise, two types of exercise are strength training and cardiovascular training. Strength training is, of course, your kind of stereotypical bodybuilders in the gym, lifting dumbbells, bench pressing, squatting. Um, with that, we get stronger muscles. It also increases our heart rate as well, so you do get kind of a little bit of cardio exercise in that. Um, Along with that, we see hypertrophy in the muscle, so the muscle actually grows, which allows us to recruit more muscles. Um, you want to get stronger because as we get older, our body tends to weaken. Our immune system gets lower. Our immune system gets lower, and we become vulnerable to more diseases, stuff like that. Whenever we exercise for strength, it allows us to correct our posture. A lot of people have bad posture just from being on their phones, sitting down, kind of have a rolling, shoulders rolling forward type deal going on. Whenever we work out, we actually strengthen those muscles to actually work on that, so we get more of an upright posture, pulling the shoulders back. We get less back aches, stuff like that as we get older, which is very common. Whenever we work out with our cardiovascular system, of course, that's your basic running, jump roping, HIIT training. HIIT training is high intensity interval training, which is just another type of cardio exercise. Cardio exercise such as running, swimming are good for you because it actually targets the heart. When we can target the heart, we actually get it to grow stronger. It beats harder, so we get better blood flow to the muscles, to the organs that need it, which is our processor and transport for oxygen, carbon dioxide, stuff like that for our immune systems to function. Whenever we train our heart, we can actually recruit muscle fibers to the heart, which is the myocardium, which allows us to pump the blood harder, stronger. As we get older, of course, as I mentioned before, our organs start to not work as well as they used to. So whenever we can get the heart to stay strong for as long as possible, it benefits us in the long run because our blood circuitry stays better as we get older instead of depleting, or we can at least inhibit that decrease. Another type of training is actually sports training. Whenever we talk about sports training, you kind of get a mix of strength training with cardio training. It's more of a power workout, stuff like that. It allows us to work on our power rather than just our strength or just our cardio. Power training is strength times speed, so we get to kind of utilize both of those together. Some of the diseases that we can prevent whenever we're working out are diabetes, osteoporosis, high blood sugar, high blood pressure, stuff like that. With diabetes, having a good diet always follows with a good workout program. So those kind of go hand in hand in preventing gain of fat. We can actually lose fat. Better diet allows our body to work better. With osteoporosis is thinning of the bone. It's thinning of the bone. As we stay stagnant, not working out, just not active in general, our bones get used to that loss in pressure or loss of use. It's called the use it or lose it effect. Our bones tend to thin, get weaker as we get older. We are more vital to fall or break a hip, break a bone, break a knee, anything like that. Whenever we work out, we actually put the pressure of our weight as well as extra weight on top of those muscles, which force them to adapt and get stronger and denser. With X-ray scans, we can actually see a different density between different bones and whether they're being used properly or not. So strength training doesn't just benefit the organs, the muscles, the blood, the heart. It also affects our bones, which is very important because that's kind of what creates our skeleton. So with that, those are our benefits of exercise, different types of exercise.